Intro, New Luxury Bike Channel. Welcome to New Luxury Bike, the channel where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the world of two-wheel innovation. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of Honda's most stylish and youthful releases, the new 2025 Honda Zoomer X Spot concept. This futuristic scooter redefines urban mobility with its bold design, smart technology, and street-ready attitude. A fresh take on urban commuting. The 2025 Honda Zoomer X Spot concept is all about creativity and individuality. Honda has designed this scooter to appeal to the new generation of riders who value both functionality and flair. Its compact frame, exposed styling, and customizable body panels give it a unique character, a mix of rugged minimalism and modern aesthetics. Whether you're cruising through city streets or parking at your favorite cafe, the Zoomer X Spot instantly stands out. Design that speaks youth and style. The new Zoomer X Spot concept features a futuristic look with sharp edges, bold LED lighting, and a floating seat design. The scooter's exposed frame and hollowed storage area beneath the seat highlight its signature industrial vibe. The color options combine neon accents with matte finishes, enhancing the urban sports theme. Honda has clearly made a statement: this scooter isn't just transportation, it's self-expression on two wheels. Smart tech and connectivity. Staying connected on the go has never been easier. The 2025 Zoomer X Spot comes with a fully digital instrument panel that displays real-time riding data, battery status, and smart notifications. Honda has integrated smartphone connectivity, allowing riders to sync their devices for navigation, music, and calls. There's also a convenient USB-C charging port for your gadgets, perfect for the modern city rider. Performance and efficiency. Under the stylish exterior, the Zoomer X Spot concept is powered by Honda's enhanced 125 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled engine, offering a balance of power and fuel efficiency. The scooter delivers smooth acceleration, excellent throttle response, and remarkable fuel economy, ideal for daily commuting. Its lightweight chassis ensures nimble handling, while the upgraded suspension setup offers superior ride comfort on both smooth and uneven roads. Comfort and practicality. Despite its compact form, Honda has designed the Zoomer X Spot to be surprisingly practical. The scooter features an ergonomic seat height suitable for all riders, along with a flat floorboard for extra comfort. The unique open storage area allows for creative customization, from utility racks to mini cargo boxes, making it both stylish and functional for urban lifestyles. The future of city scooters. The 2025 Honda Zoomer X Spot concept perfectly captures the spirit of modern commuting: smart, stylish, and eco-friendly. It's more than just a scooter, it's a lifestyle statement for young, dynamic riders who want to express themselves.